welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing the new smartphone from Samsung. As you can see, the Samsung M30s. This is the smartphone from Samsung. So there are two variants, 128GB with 6GB RAM and 4GB RAM with 64GB. So I have bought the 4GB RAM 64GB storage variant. So this phone comes with the 6000 amp hour battery, which is the largest in this price range, and it supports fast charging of 18 watt. It is having a triple camera setup at the back. It also has Super AMOLED display on it. As you can see, some specs are written here like 6000 milliamp hour battery with fast charging. It has 3 camera setup, which is 48 megapixel normal camera, 5 megapixel is the telephoto lens, and 8 megapixel camera is the ultra wide camera. It has 16 megapixel front camera. It has full HD display of 6.4 inch with S AMOLED Infinity U display. It runs on the Samsung Exynos 9611 processor. It has 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage, and this is the box. So as you can see, so here the price written is 15,500, but you will get it on a sale from Amazon for only 14,000 rupees. So now let's unbox this product and see how is this. So now let's unbox this. So now let's open this box here. So here is the box, and here is some packet. Let's open this packet up, and here are the some paperworks. This phone doesn't have case in it. Now let's take this phone. So I brought the white color. I'll keep this phone aside. Now let's take the look at the charger. So as you can see here, this is the fast charger, adapter fast charging, and it has 9 volt 2 amps. So it is a fast charger. Let's keep this to the side. I think that it is having a C cable. Let's check is this. So yes guys, it is a C cable. Nice to observe that now mid-range smartphones are also coming with the C. I'll keep this all things to the side. Now let's have a look at the Samsung M30s smartphone. Now let's have an overview. So here are some volume up and down buttons, power on off button. Down there is one mic. There's one mic. Here is the speaker, type C port, 3.5mm headphone jack. I like the Samsung is still giving the 3.5mm headphone jack. Here is the fingerprint scanner, 3 cameras, 48 megapixel, 5 megapixel telephoto lens, and the 8 megapixel ultra wide camera. This is the 6.4 inch display of the phone, and here comes the 16 megapixel front camera. So this is the overview of the phone, and here is the SIM tray. Now let's open the packet of this phone. So here comes the phone, pretty nice, looks really nice. Now let's turn on this. Here is the first boot of the Samsung Galaxy M30s. I'll set up this device. Now I'll set the fingerprint scanner. We'll just check the fingerprint first. And set the fingerprint over. Just tap. So yes, it is doing, as you can see. Ready? It's time for the. No, but we don't need. So now let's check the fingerprint scanner. So it takes a few seconds. So it takes some seconds to unlock the phone, but it is good. No problem. Now let's go to the settings and about the phone. As you can see, it is running on One UI and it's running on the Pi Android version 9. It has got a security patch of 1st August. Now let's check the camera. Now let's check the camera of this. So I'll swipe one thing. So guys, this is the samples of video from the back camera with the stabilization on. I am walking with this phone and the audio is recorded by the internal mic of the phone. So this is the mic test also, like mic 1 2 3. The video sample from the front camera. I'm walking on my terrace and this voice is given from the inbuilt mic of the phone. So check the quality, guys. See how much storage are we getting over here. So how much storage are we getting? So it is checking up. So guys, from 64 GB we get 50 GB free. Let's check the sound quality of this. Let's volume up full. So it is pretty loud. So it is the pretty loud, good enough of speaker given in this phone, and nothing much in this. So it also has always on display over here. As you can see, it is always on display. If you want to buy this phone, I will mention the link down below in the description. It is a pretty nice phone under the budget of 15,000 rupees, so you can check it out over here. I will catch you with the next unboxing. So please like, share and subscribe. Till then, bye bye.